Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be continuing our series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 into a new token every month. So stay tuned. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be continuing our series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 into a new token every month. So let's just get right into it, guys. Wow, welcome back to the new week, new Monday, and new token. So let's just go ahead and bring up the old phone here. Let's get right into it. All right, so we are at, I'm going to go ahead and click on our assets here. And so I got $8 in cash, so we can't count that. So 195 minus $8, and then we got to minus this little $6 in Cosmos here. But, so our portfolio, 186.37. minus the little $5, so we're about 180 bucks, guys. We're at 180 bucks, and let's just see what's going on. So, Fetch AI, guys. Fetch AI is back on top. It is back on top. Uniswap had passed it a couple days ago, and then Fetch AI caught back up and jumped right back to the top. So, not bad, guys. Not bad for Fetch AI. If you guys have the means, go ahead and invest some more in Fetch AI because that's a good one. Uniswap as well, guys. Uniswap is doing amazing. We're already like $12, like 11 or $12 over where we invested in, guys. Maybe even 13 or $14 because, after Coinbase's fee, it's like $18 that we're left with. So look at that. It's awesome. Solana, same thing. Solana's doing pretty good, guys. Check that out, 24.51. And that's not even a full Solana. That's only 0.2 of Solana token. So you might want to invest some more in some Solana, guys. Same thing with Magic. Magic is doing pretty good, 21.26. Each token we've invested in so far is in the positive. Bitcoin, $2. $2 over where we invested, but like I said, with Bitcoin, since it's so big and we bought so little, we're not really going to see the dramatic jumps like everybody else is going to see. So Polygon is still up. We're still up $1. Polygon ain't going nowhere, so don't worry about it. Internet Computer Token, ICP, Internet Computer Token. We are down a couple dollars, but don't worry. Let me go ahead and click on that real quick. We are down a couple dollars, but we're going back up. Ooh. This week has just been downhill for ICP. But, if you check that out, it was a correction. It was a correction for the month, so it's going to start going back up, guys. It's going to start going back up. Look at that. Since the year has started, we are still in the positive. We are still uptrending. So don't worry. All right. Where are we at? Threshold. Yeah. Threshold. Not doing too good. But, it was only $20. So don't worry about it. Threshold. Had a lot of hope. Had a lot of hope for you guys. For Threshold. Let's see. Let's go back a month. Wow, looks like it may have just been a little correction, guys. So we went from 2 cents to 3 cents, and now we're still lingering around 3 cents. So, it's looking like it was just a quick little correction, and we're still gonna go higher. Looks like we're gonna uptrend still. So that's pretty good, guys. It's still pretty good. Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope for the little threshold there. Don't mind those Cosmos if you guys are new here. I've had some Cosmos staking for quite some time now, so I'm just going to leave it in there. I'm not going to touch it. It's just going to linger in there forever until California lets us stake again. So, yeah, don't worry about it. Other than that, guys, other than that, we are at like 180 bucks. 180 bucks. We're doing pretty good. So, what are we doing today, guys? What are we going to invest in today? I'm just going to go ahead and go to my watch list. We'll go home. Then we're going to go to our watch list here. And today, our token is going to be XRP. XRP Ripple, guys. If you guys have been following, well, if you guys have just been following crypto in general, you guys know XRP has been through a lot. XRP has been through a whole lot, guys. They have just been through the ringer, through the freaking ringer. They've been in and out of court, and they have prevailed. They have prevailed. They have a huge backing, guys. They have a really huge backing. So XRP is going to be our token of today. What is XRP? XRP is a native token of the XRP ledger and the cryptocurrency used by Ripple Payment Network. Built for enterprise use on a global scale, XRP powers cost-effective cross-border payments. So, just like Bitcoin, you know, it's a payment method. That way, you know, we take out the middleman, we take out all the big banks, we take out all that nonsense, and we don't have to pay all the fees. Bitcoin, those fees can get up there if you're trying to push a transaction through pretty quickly. But with XRP, we get rid of all of that. Even Ethereum, guys, you know, it's a really strong token, really stable token, and everybody's hopping on the Ethereum train. But those transaction fees can just get out of control, guys. Out of freaking control. So I'm going to go ahead and click on their little website here. As always, I'm not going to read everything on their website, but if you're interested, I highly recommend to go check their website out and go read it for yourself. I just wanted to scroll through here and show you that, you know, XRP is pretty established. They're doing a lot. They got a lot of utility going on here. So, like I said, just super established. There's just a lot going on, guys. Lot going on. I recommend going to the bottom of the website, checking out all these links, and doing your own research, because XRP is one of those tokens that, you know, it's been around for a while now, and it's, you know, it's really pulling through, guys. It's really freaking pulling through despite all the drama they have been through. So what are we waiting for, guys? What the heck are we waiting for? I'm sure you guys are very eager to hurry up and see this video, because it's kind of late again today. It's 5:36 over here my time. So let's just go ahead and do it, guys. Gonna go ahead and buy $20 of Ripple, which is going to give us 33 Ripple, guys. It's going to give us 33.1 Ripple. I'm going to go ahead and screenshot because that's just something I do all the time. And there you go. You see the $1.49 Coinbase fee. So place the order, and we are out of here. We are freaking out of here. Do you see how fast I was? Man, all these tokens lately, these transactions have just been so freaking fast. I'm going to go and review our order. Coinbase, I do like you, but I'm not going to rate you right about now. All right, guys. All right, just like every other token, we are at 1832. 1832 minus Coinbase's fees. Oh, man, look at those. $20. $20 last time I bought XRP got me 44 tokens. Now it only got me 33. So there was a jump there. Guys. All right. Where are we at? We're officially at our portfolio. You might be a little bit under mine. You might be like at 199, but my portfolio is officially at 204.55 minus our Cosmos, minus our $5.74 in Cosmos, guys. total balance of 213. Yeah, that doesn't count because I have some USDC in here. So that's gonna do it for today, guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below, do all those things that the YouTubers tell you to do, and we will see you next time. Peace.